Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some acoustic panels. First of all, you're going to need some timber. I've chosen some 2 by 1 inch, which is 50 by 20 millimeters in Australian terms, and I've cut them at a length of 1200 by 600 roughly, about the size of a towel, and I'll show you why a little bit later. After installing all the screws in your pre-drilled holes, you should have a result like this. All the frames are made and you're ready to go. So this is what it'll look like with the towel wrapped around the frame. I'll show you how to do that right now. As you can see here, I've got my towels. They're basically measured to suit the timber frame that I made. I'm just basically stapling around all the edges and pulling it nice and tight as I go. So what I've done here is I've got some fabric that I like the look of. It'll be going over the top of the toweling to give it a uniform finish. Once I've done that, I'll get the few layers of towel that I've cut up into squares, and they'll be going on the inside of each panel. So what I've done here is cut up towels into squares to suit the inside of the panel. I've done 4 layers and they'll get stapled in as well. Here you can see I'm going to be using a bracket similar to this. You can even have it horizontal or vertical. I think I'll be going with the horizontal way just to give me a bit more room and clearance around the walls. I'll show you what it looks like held up against the wall. I've also used a bit of 3D foam for a bit more insulation and sound barrier. So basically they'll fix on the wall such as this, and I've made 6 panels to go around the room, and that's pretty much it for the acoustic panels DIY. Hope you enjoy. These are my 6 panels all ready to go, and a few different colours, all ready to go up on the walls. This is what it'll look like once installed, and they're ready to rock and roll. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.